Welcome to video number 233 of Learn and Speak Tamil like a native. We have come a long way and there are enough lessons for you to practice, to revise and make your language better. In this video we are going to see the negative of going to do something. Let us see that now. That is not going to and the verb. Like, she is not going to eat. I'm not going to sing. So it is just the opposite of going to do something. The opposite becomes not going to be doing something. And how do you do that? Personal pronoun, that is I, you, he, whatever. And then you add the verb root and poradilla. Poradilla. This is for all the personal pronouns, be it I, you, he, she, it. For everything you use the same formula. You use the personal pronoun and the verb root and poradilla. Personal pronoun and the verb root and poradilla. And if you want to learn about how to make sentence such as I am going to do, I am going to sleep, you can look that in the video number 51. We have done it a long time ago. I can give you the link. You can click it top right to access it. You can also find it in the description. Let us see some examples now. I am going to go tomorrow. This is the positive one. Na nalakku poga poren. Na nalakku poga poren. And the opposite of that is the negative of that becomes I'm not going to go tomorrow. Na nalakku poga poradilla. So poga pore becomes poga poradilla. Poga is the verb root, that is to go. Poradilla, you add that poradilla, which means I'm not going to go tomorrow. Na nalakku poga poradilla. Na nalakku poga poradilla. Let's see another example now. That is, we'll use he now. Avan thane ella veliyum seiya poran. Is he not the one going to be doing all the work? Avan thane is to stress on it. Avan thane எல்லா வேலையும் செய்ய போறான். அவன் தானே எல்லா வேலையும் செய்ய போறான். And the opposite of that is, you look at this stylish guy, he's definitely not going to be doing everything. He's not going to be doing anything, or he's not going to do anything. அவன் ஒன்னும் செய்ய போறதில்லை. செய்ய is the verb here, to do. போறதில்லை. So he's not going to be doing anything. He's not going to do anything. So செய்ய போறான் becomes செய்ய போறதில்லை. Imagine there's a conversation between this man and this lady about some visitors that they have in their house. Or they might think something of it, which means they'll think something bad about it or take it otherwise. அவங்க ஏதாவது நினைக்க போகிறாங்க, which means, look, they might think it, they are going to think it otherwise. அவங்க ஏதாவது நினைக்க போகிறாங்க. And this cool lady, she just says, அதை விடு, leave that. They're not going to be thinking like that. அவங்க ஒன்றும் அப்படி நினைக்க போகிறதில்லை. Which means you're too worried. They are not going to think like that. அவங்க ஒன்றும் அப்படி like that நினைக்க போகிறதில்லை. So it is நினைக்க போகிறாங்க becomes நினைக்க போகிறதில்லை. So it is போகிறதில்லை for all the personal pronoun, be it I, he, she, it. Another one, just the last one for you to easily understand this concept. Imagine this lady saying, shut up, something is going to happen. Maybe this man told something weird and she's worried that Oh, that's a bad sign. So she says, shut up, something is going to happen. Vaya moodi tole, edavadhu aga pogudhu. So vaya moodi tole means shut the hell up. Vaya moodi tole, edavadhu aga pogudhu. And to which this time the man is very cool. He says, oh, don't fear, nothing is going to happen. Urediya bhayapadada means don't really be worried extremely. Urediya bhayapadada. Unno aga poradilla. Aga is to happen. Poradilla. Aga poradilla is not going to happen. So, vaya moodi tole. Edavadhu aga pogudhu. That is her concern. To which he says, Urediya bhayapadada. Unno aga poradilla. Now, learner's corner. You've just been learning a lot of grammar, a lot of verbs, but over time, with a lot of practice, or even with a little being in touch with the language, it's no big deal to understand all the grammar because it's just a system. What is important for you is to have a lot of vocabulary in your personal dictionary. So, what we are going to do from here on is that we are going to see a revision of the words, the important vocabulary of that particular lesson, and then of the previous lesson. So you get at least one chance to revise, and that is more than enough. You don't have to be revising. You'll build your own vocabulary. So we are going to see of this lesson. Other vidu means come on, leave it. Don't bother. Leave it. Let it go. Other vidu. Vaya moodi thola. Shut your damn mouth. That is when you're angry, or if you don't like the other person saying something, you just say shut up. More intensely, it is vaya mood means close your mouth, shut up. Vaya moodi thola means shut your damn mouth. Vaya moodi thola. Urediya bhayapadada means urediya means that is to add intensity. It's extreme level. Urediya bhayapadada. Don't fear too much. You also use it for don't eat too much. Urediya sapadada. Urediya exercise pannada. That is don't go to extreme level. Urediya. I hope these three words are very important. Likewise, we also see the previous one in the next video. So we'll see at least 2 video vocabularies. So it becomes a way for you to remember whatever you have learned. So follow us in Instagram. I'm trying to upload something at least every alternative day. And you can join the Telegram group to discuss with other Tamil learners. The learners are getting very informative. Some of them are very good. You can talk to them. You can understand and converse with each other. So you can check the description for more details on how to join the Telegram group. All the best with your Tamil learning. Vanakkam. We'll see again with another interesting video. Thank you.